Hey guys, welcome back to Shona Land, and in this video I'll be teaching you more common words in Shona. Okay, let's do this. The first word is watch out. In Shona, Hokoyo. 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 A son-in-law. In Shona, Mukwasha. 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 Comforter. In Shona, Munyaradzi. 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 A sunrise. Kwayedza. 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 Prayers. In Shona, Miteuro. 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 Daughter-in-law. In Shona, Muroora. 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 Okay, as a recap, watch out. In Shona, it's Hokoyo. Son-in-law, Mukwasha. Comforter, Munyaradzi. Sunrise, Kwayedza. Prayers, Miteuro. Daughter-in-law, Muroora. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you need us to teach you specific lessons for you, please leave your suggestions in the comments down below. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Ndatenda. See you in the next one.